No.
But I want her to go.
No.
But I want you to go.
No.
Why should I go?
Let's have Ellie go first.
Oh.
Open it up.
One Direction!
What is it?
I got tickets!
No, you didn't.
What are they?
One Direction tickets!
Awesome.
Don't lose them now.
I'm
Awesome.
not.
Are we all going?
No, just me and Mom. And Madison.
No. I did try to talk her mom into getting some tickets, but her mom... wait, Annie, no. Don't open yours yet.
I want to see what's in here.
Careful.
I really want to. Where's it at?
I don't know. One Direction, Kenley Park.
Tinley Park. That's
Both
Chicago.
really.
That's in
One
Chicago?
Direction concert on July 14th. We'll stay in a hotel by Chicago. Love, Mom and Dad.
Oh!
I want to see what's in here.
That's the actual tickets. Do not lose those.
Don't lose those. Here,
I
Frank,
better
give me those.
just give them to Mom. No.
Yeah, good call.
Never mind.
No.
No, I want to see this.